In this video, I will show you the best screen recorder software I have ever used. I used Camtasia software. If you want to use it without Watermark, you have to buy the software. I used iScreen screen recorder software, but it can't work without premium version. I also use this EaseUS software. It has a watermark for the free version. And finally, I am talking about OBS Studio, which you can use for free and have no watermark. You can use it for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. I have already downloaded this software on my computer. It is free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. I will only show you how to record screen with this software. You need to adjust the settings of the software before using it. This is the software interface. Go to Settings before using this software. Now click on Hotkeys. Select any key from the keyboard for streaming. Now I have selected F5 for streaming. I selected F5 to start and end streaming. I selected the F8 key to start and end the computer screen record. Here's a little understanding of the settings you need. Click on Apply and OK button. Now minimize it to record the computer screen. Now the OBS Studio is running on background. Now I am recording a sample video by pressing F8 from my keyboard. And I finished the screen record by pressing F8. Now go to OBS Studio. Then go to Show Recording. Your recorded videos will be saved here.